oAuth2. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn oAuth2. oAuth is short for Open Authorization. Is an open standard for access delegation, commonly used as a way for internet users to grant website or application access to their information on other websites but without giving them the passwords. This mechanism is used by companies such as Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Twitter, etc. to permit users to share information about their accounts with third-party applications or websites. All right, let's deep dive into the code to show you an example of oAuth in Spring Boot. So you can see here, I have here a Spring Boot application. Let me show you the dependency or the library that we need. It's quite simple only. We only need one dependency, but this dependency has some other dependency, but we don't need to manually add them. Once you add this, it will pull all the dependencies like the Spring Security library. You can see this Spring Security, right? So, but from our end, excuse me, we just need this dependency for oAuth implementation. Uh, then of course we need the web because we're going to make a web application. This one is we don't need this for unit testing only. Yeah, basically only these two dependencies. Okay, then also we need to configure for this demo. I will show you how to implement oAuth for GitHub and Google. So we basically need this client ID, client and secret ID. Okay. First, in GitHub, you can go to. Let me close unnecessary window here. For GitHub, you have to go to this your GitHub account. In your GitHub account, you can see developer settings page. Then there you can go to oAuth apps. Then you can create a new one. I have an existing already. You can create your own. This is mine. Okay, so once you created your own oAuth app, you just need to copy the client ID and generate the secret and copy it. Okay, from here. All right. So do not use my client ID and secret, okay? Because I will delete this after this demo. All right. For Google, it's the same thing. You go to Google console cloud portal, then you have to go to this page. Wait a minute. I think here. Go to API and services. Then you have to go to this page, oAuth consent screen. Then you just follow the instruction here. Bottom line is you just need to create the client ID and client secret. Okay, you just need to go to this page. All right. Again, do not use my own client ID, right? Because I'm going to delete this after this demo. All right. Once you get the client ID and secret from respective website for GitHub and Google, take note of this property: Spring Security oAuth2 client registration GitHub client ID, and this one and the client secret should be like this: Spring Security oAuth2 client registration GitHub client then secret, dash secret. Then for Google, you just copy these two lines and just replace the GitHub with Google. The rest of the key is the same. Okay. All right. Once you configure this client ID and secret, then we're good to go. Yeah, of course you have to configure also the first we need to create the endpoint that we want to access, right? For this demo, I will for our home page, I just I use a forward slash only for this is the default page. Okay. Then for secured page, I, we have I put we use secured slash secured. Okay. Then here I have a simple logic here. I want to display the username and the roles, so that's why I use this security context holder to get the authentication object, and this authentication object we get the authorities, right? Authorities is an array, that's why I get the authority, right? So bottom line here, I just want to get the roles and the username. That's why I have here a string username. This is for the username. We have here the HTTP servlet request where we get the user principal, and the role from you get from authentication authorities. All right. Then okay, once we have the endpoints, then we need to do some simple configuration only. Of course, we have to enable the web security. All right. Was enabling the web security, we need to create a bin configuration for security filter chain. This security filter chain, we can use the HTTP security argument to configure our requests endpoints. Okay, for endpoint with forward slash, we permit it. It doesn't need some. We don't require any authentication. That's why we put this permit all. But for other any endpoints or any requests, we have to authenticate. All right. Then for to authenticate, we need login page. This one is the form login is the default login page for SpringBoot. This is available in the once you use the Spring Security, but for oAuth2 we need this. Okay, so expect in our login page we have three options. The first is the login page provided by the SpringBoot or the Spring Security, the default one, and the other is the login for GitHub and for Google. All right. So let's run the application and see. So this is, I hope that this configuration is clear. Let me repeat. For forward slash, this is our home page, so we don't need any authentication. That's why we have permit all here. Then for any requests other than this one, we require authentication. That's why we have authenticated. Then for our login page, we have the login page for oAuth2, which is for GitHub and Google. Then another login page for our the default one provided by the Spring framework. Okay, actually it's only one login page, but the three options are there. Okay, login, the internal, the Spring Boot default login page, and the login page for GitHub and Google. All right, so I think that's it. Let's run and test our oAuth example. Let's go to the main. So we have only two endpoints here: the welcome home and the secured page. Okay, let's run it. Okay, let's use the Safari to test it. So this one, I will hit the default page. See, there's no authentication required. We can access the home page. All right, this one, because we configure it like that. Then for other endpoints, we only have two endpoints. The one is the home page, the other one is the secured page. For secure page, we expect a login page here. All right, see, this segment is the default one provided by our Spring Security framework. This page. Then for oAuth, we have two options for GitHub and Google. Let's test the GitHub. All right. Wait. Yeah, because I'm expecting another page to allow us to choose to log in for GitHub, but it seems I am still currently logged in. Let me try to close this one. Let me try to close this browser and test again. Okay. Let's test again. Now I'm using Chrome. HTTP localhost secure. All right, let's try GitHub. It seems I'm still currently logged in. Anyway, let's try the Google one. For the Google, it's the same thing. Maybe I should try to log out first. I'm expecting expecting login page actually. Let me stop first our application. Let me log out first. Okay. GitHub. Let me log out first. Alright. Now I'm logged out already. Let me I will close the browser. Then let me start our application. Alright. HTTP secured. Let's try GitHub. Something is wrong. Let me comment this out first. Let's hardcode this first. Secured page. Sorry about this. I'm not expecting this behavior. It's supposed to I'm just wondering why it's auto login. GitHub. Yeah, I always I notice is auto log in. Even I sign out. Maybe it's a browser. Maybe it's a browser issue. I already, as you can see here, I already signed out. Alright. Alright. Okay, let me try again. HTTP secured. So GitHub. Yeah, this is what I'm expecting. See, this is the login page of GitHub. Now I will sign in. After I sign in, it should be redirected to my application, which is secured page. Okay. Alright. This one. Secured page. So it's working, right? I think it's the same thing with Google. We just need to log out. Okay. Google. Let's try. Oh, because it's already logged in. HTTP secure. Yeah. Google. See? So this is the login page for Google. I just once I click this, I choose this, it will redirect to my application, which is secured page. Okay, let me enter my password. Okay, continue, then it will redirect to my application page, which is secured page. All right, this is the one. So I think that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you learn oAuth2, and I think this is a good start. This is just again, this is just basic, and if you want to further your learning, yeah, your learning for this Spring security feature, this is a good start. Okay, again, thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you again next time.